sucks.
And no furry OC.
I'm the bike model without the bite.
Mother love me long time.
This is what he's supposed to be.
Hong Kong, one time, love me long time. Long, go back to Hong Kong.
He's like the Terminator, man.
Nothing
American
personnel.
dude with one-handed weaponry.
Tell the price behind you, unzip stick.
Multi-track drifting across the map.
You guys gonna fucking kill Satori or not?
Is that the scene from The Dark Knight when he was in?
Dr. Pablo here. Nothing.
No Lord, for her good.
Doesn't matter who you are. The matter is up there.
Медведь, сука, в цирке, блядь, на велосипеде, блядь, а на колесном, блядь, ездит, сука, блядь. А тут долбоёбы по 19 лет не могут ездить на танке,
Oh god, are there
сука.
fucking two Satoris?
Squat knees. Yeah, they keep respawning.
It sucks, go into the other room. Oh god, there's two fucking Satoris, Jesus
Fucking
Christ.
sucks.
Are you bike test too?
No, yeah. He's the one that works.
Yeah, that's how you know.
Bike test one just launches you and randomly.
Hello, kids. The people at Loudwire have asked me to do you a service for all your miserable parents who can't get you to stop screaming about how you should be able to stay up late at night and watch shows like Breaking Bad. Well, you can't. Go to bed, you scum.
Hawk.
They're going to read to you, so you go to bed. As I read to you, you will find yourself becoming more and more tired.
Is
My
this
only
Serbia
hope
when he
is
doesn't
that
put
I
on
do
an
not
accent?
make myself fall asleep as I read this story. I don't know much about it, but I've been assured it's a real yawn fest. So, without any more further ado, let's get on with Good Night Moon. In the Great Green Room, there was a telephone and a red balloon and a picture of this shit.
How are we even listening to?
That's not a lot of stuff for one page, I tell you. There was a cow jumping over the moon. There were three little bears sitting in chairs. See? That's a cow, you fuck. That's a fucking cow jumping over the fucking moon. That doesn't fucking happen, okay? And neither did fucking Apollo 13, you fucking piece of fecal dandruff, alright? And bears are not fucking friendly, okay? Don't fuck around with bears. They'll bite your little dicks off. Alright, next page. Alright, okay. Bears do not fucking sit in chairs as well. What is this, a fairy tale? There were two little kittens and a pair of mittens and a little toy house and a young mouse. Now here you can see the condom drying rack as these fucking animals dry out and reuse their condoms, being environmentally conscientious. Okay, next page. This is riveting shit. I swear to God, it's like I'm reading a Clive Cussler novel.